Hi everyone, this is Ping Priscilla. Today I want to make 3 different desserts made from one simple, whole food, and maybe a little crazy ingredient, which is soybean dregs. Have you ever heard about soybean dregs? If you have not, it's the soybean residue after making the soybean milk. I love to eat whole food, and I always drink soy milk. So that's why one day I decided to make my own soy milk. And then after I was almost ready to throw away the soybean dregs, then I realized, wow, my powerful mixer can make the soybean dregs so soft, and then the texture almost like ice cream. Of course, there's no ice cream flavor or sweet taste. It's very plain, just like tofu if you have tofu before. So the first cup is refreshing lemon flavor. It's hot summer day, so I want something very refreshing and very cool. I already made some fresh lemonade. And then I have to dress it up, and I garnish with lemon zest. Not just one color, but 2. Yeah, I have to do lime and lemon. And my second cup idea is all about the very popular flavor in America, cinnamon sugar. I don't use sugar that much, so I decided to replace sugar with honey. I garnish with the mint leaf from my garden. The third cup I made is about coffee flavor. I love coffee, and then anything coffee will be my favorite treat. I pour in cold coffee. I add all kinds of fruits, and then so whatever I have in the refrigerator, I just cut it up and then use it. Then I also love nuts, so I can add all kinds of nuts. So this is about creation. And then anything you can add in to create your own healthy, fun, and for some people, this is a very unusual dessert to eat, if you can call that dessert. So this is one of the kind of unique food or dessert you should try one day if you're in the right mood. If you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will have weekly new dish to share with you. I hope to see you soon.